Hello everyone, Cheryl Ann here. I thought I'd give you a quick tour of my vegetable garden so far. These are 2 cabbages. I grow everything in the plastic bins because we had a real problem with gophers 2 years ago. This is Swiss chard and cauliflower. The chard is just absolutely taking off. These are Napa cabbages, and I put some lavender in to keep bugs and critters and everything else away. I do cover them with a mesh. These are lettuce, and I planted some radishes in there too, and a lavender. And then this is celery, more cauliflower, and a cabbage. So I'll let you see these are my plastic tubs, and most of them I got at Walmart. I found like 8 of them out in my garage. These 2 here I bought at Costco. I think they were $7.50 each. I did drill holes in the bottom, and then I added bark from our old cottonwood. And then you can see there's pine needles. I add eggshells. Where's my thing? Eggshells and coffee grounds. And then I add a mixture of Miracle Grow. And we did have a frost last night. You can see it on the cabbage. I do keep this here. I put that's shade cloth, and I can get it over 3 of them. And then I put the white, that's just a shower curtain. And I think I'm probably going to have to put it out here again tonight. I'll take you over here and show you my sugar snap peas. Oh, I also put this, which I had out in the garage. I do put this netting over them because we do have cats. And, you know, cats like to get in your planting. There. Sorry about that. But I did want to get them covered up right away. They do like to get in there and, you know, start digging. There. So now I've got everything covered up again. So these are my sugar snap peas that I got as little plants, and I did plant some seeds, but they haven't come up yet. It's only been, I don't even think it's been a week yet. So, but you can see the soil. This one is ready to go. It's empty. And then this one over here is empty. You can see all the stuff. I need to mix that up that I throw in. But this will give you some idea. And like I said, these are the tubs at Walmart. This one's a little it's a little disintegrated, but I figured for winter it would probably be okay. I don't know if I can grow my summer squash in it. And so that's my setup for now. I have these 5 here. There's my dog. He's out eating grass. I have these 3 here, of which 1 is planted. I don't think I'm going to even use this old one. And then I have 2 more over here that are basically ready to plant. They just need some soil. So I'll have 2, 5, I'll have 10. I will have 10 plastic tubs. I'm also going to plant this one after I make some holes in it in the bottom for radishes. And then if I need to, I can always empty out that one and do that one too. So I've got a good start here. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll get back to you and answer them. Till next time, bye for now.